Trader, daily chart, VXN. What is the VXN? We have a consolidation and we have several days breakout. It is the fear indicator for the Nasdaq-100 and the triple Qs. Okay, so that when it goes higher, stocks sell off. Let me show another thing. We're at a major resistance level right here. When the fear indicator made a high up here and it went straight down, stock markets made all-time highs. So you can get an idea of how the fear indicator works. As it goes higher, stocks go lower. Once again, stay tuned. Buy now, pay later program. Get invested. If you believe it's going up, buy the calls. If you want to short something, hey, this is your market. This is your opportunity. This is your chance to take buy now, pay later, and you pay with profits. That's what you do. And you don't have any tax consequences, none whatsoever. So you save more money in capital gains tax, because there is no tax, to pay for your investment. You can have more than one. You could have several. I'm letting you know that when the fear indicator comes up and we're filling in a gap right here, right there, there is the gap, and that is resistance. There is a daily buy signal on the fear indicator on the VXN. If this goes higher, the Nasdaq-100 sells off and the triple Q sell off. Once again, it's not who you know, it's who you want to know. That would be me right about now.